Yes, indeed. Music Man here. It's a request from Big Anthony in Belfast in the Guitar Club. He wants to hear Take Me Through Everlong, he says. So we're going to go through the Foo Fighters classic intro, verse, and chorus, pre-chorus as well. And first thing we do is take that top string and tune it down 2 steps to a D. Go to your top string, 7th fret. That's your new A. Your second string should sound like that. You can take it up to the 12th fret. That's what your 3rd string should sound like. Okay, and for the top 2 strings, it is just a bar. If that sounds good enough, we will get going. So the intro, it's going to be 9 and 11. A string 9. D string 11, and you get that Dave sound. Okay, that pattern is kind of strange. We have the 9/11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your first chord. The second chord, leave your ring finger, top finger, just come across to the top 2 strings. Emphasize that top string so you get that new B sound. You're going to slide it down to the 5th fret and bar it, which is your G, and slide it back up. The timing is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Dave does a wee shortcut on that 3rd bar. You only get 2 beats of the drum instead of 4. Kind of weird timing. For the strumming, jab, 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 jab. Okay, so poke your way through it. Okay, that is the intro. That's also the verse. I'm waiting here for you. 5, back up to 9. A couple of those. Then you have the pre-chorus on the 2nd string, 4, 5, 7, 9. These can be individual notes on the A string, 4, 5, 7, 9. Or you can drop the pinky down on the 3rd string for a power chord. Dave actually does these octaves. So 4 on the 2nd string, and I'm skipping the 3rd string, going right to the 4th string, which is the octave. 2 strings over, 2 frets over, 2 strings down. Okay, if you are acoustic, you could actually 5, 7, 9. You could pick it if you wanted. 4, 5, 7, 9, 8. Finishing on the 7th fret, top string, bar across. 4, 5, 7, 9. That at the end of that, it's a 9, 10, 9. Some of the books, I think he actually goes up to 12 very quickly. Don't bother with that. 4, 5, 7, 9. I believe there's 4 of those. Kind of hard to keep track because Taylor on the drums is going crazy at that point. That takes us to the chorus, which is just a 9 bar, 5 bar, and a 0. You could actually just do a proper D if you wanted, and double up that, and then back into your verse. Great song, great song. Da 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 ba da da ba 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 da ba ba. Foo Fighters. Thank you, Dave. Great tune, and we'll see you next time.